Welcome to everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the key energy trends in India. Coming to introduction, the first topic is coal energy. Coal in India has been mined since 1774, and India is the second largest producer and consumer of coal after China, mining 773 million metric tons in the financial year 2022. Around 30% of the coal is imported due to demand supply mismatch and poor quality with high ash content. India imports coking coal to meet the shortage of demand supply. Most of the coal is burned to generate electricity, and most electricity is generated by coal, but coal-fired power plants have been criticized for breaking environment laws. Electricity generation. So the coal has been a major source of electricity generation in India, contributing significantly to country's power supply. Many coal-fired power plants are spread across India with varying capacities and technologies. India has been investing in cleaner coal technologies to improve the efficiency and reduce emissions from coal fired power plants. Let's see the various aspects of where these coals are being used. And energy production. Coal is a crucial energy resource for various industries, including steel, cement, and manufacturing. It is primarily used in industries as a feedstock for the production of various chemicals and products. And the third aspect is coal trade. India imports a substantial amount of coal to meet its energy demands and industrial needs. The major coal exporting countries to India include Indonesia, Australia, and South America. Coal imports help bridge the gap between domestic supply and demand. And the fourth one is coal demand. Coal demand in India has historically been high due to its availability and affordability. Demand for coal has been driven by energy needs of industries and power generation and other factors. Government initiates these policies aiming at reducing coal consumption have led to shifts in demand energies while growing emphasis on cleaner energy sources. So from this pie graph, we can see where the usage of coal is and in what ways these are being used. 68% is used for electricity generation, 7% for steel manufacturing, and so on. And the second one is oil. Oil energy plays a significant role in electricity generation, energy production, and international trade. Here is an overview of how oil is used in these areas and its demands. Oil and gas industry contributes to nearly 34% of primary energy consumption and fuels India's power sector. Electricity generation. Peaking power plants. Oil is used in some peaking power plants, which are typically used during periods of high electricity demands. These plants can quickly start and stop to provide additional electricity when needed. Energy production. Transportation. The most significant use of oil energy is in transportation sector. It is used as a fuel for cars, trucks, aeroplanes, ships and trains. The demand for oil transportation is substantial and it's key driven for global oil consumption. Industrial processes. Oil is used in various industries processes such as manufacturing, petrochemical products, and heating. It provides heat and energy for industrial operations, making it a vital energy source in many industries. Heating. In some regions, particularly in colder climates, oil is used for space heating in homes and buildings. It can be used for heating water. It's majorly used in various parts of Europe countries. Backup power. Oil generators are often used as a backup power source for critical facilities such as hospitals, data centers, and energy services in case of power outages. And the next aspect that we are coming to is energy trade. The first one is import and export. Many countries import and export oil to meet their energy demands. Oil is globally traded as a commodity. International trade in oil is a significant component of global economy. Energy security. To ensure stable supply of energy crucial for a country's security, countries may certain strategic oil reserves to mitigate supply disruptions. And the another aspect that we are going to see is the demand, global demand. Demand for oil is driven by variety of factors, including economic growth, population, industrialization, and transportation needs. Developing countries with rapidly growing economics often experience increased oil demand, such as India, China, and various other developing countries. Price sensitivity. Oil prices can be highly sensitive to changes in supply and demand, global events, and geopolitical tensions, and supply disrupts can lead to fluctuations in oil prices. Biomass. Biomass energy is a renewable energy source derived from organic materials such as plants, crop residues, wood, organic waste. It can be used for electricity generation, production, trade, contributing to sustainable energy solutions. Electricity generation. Biomass power plants. Biomass power plants use organic materials to generate electricity. A most common approach is combustion of biomass to produce steam, which drives a turbine connected to the generator. Biomass plants. Biogas generated from organic waste through anaerobic digestion can be used to produce electricity in biogas power plants. Combined heat and power biomass systems simultaneously produce electricity and useful heat, making them highly efficient for various applications, including district heating. Energy production. Biofuels. Biomass can be converted into liquid fuels like biodiesel, bioethanol, which are used in transportation and as a source of energy for industrial processes. Solid biomass. Pellets and briquettes made from biomass are used for heating residential and industrial buildings. Biopower. Biomass can be used in co-firing with coal or as a standard alone energy source in power plants to produce energy. Energy trade. International biomass trade. Biomass pellets and other forms of processed biomass are traded globally to meet energy needs for various countries. Biomass export and import. Some countries with abundant mass resources export surplus biomass to other countries, fostering international trade relations in energy sector. Demand. Increasing demand. The demand for biomass energy has been the rise due to its renewable nature. Potential to reduce greenhouse gases emissions. Biomass is seen as a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Rural energy needs. In many developing countries, biomass remains a crucial source of energy for cooking and heating in rural areas. The demand for cleaner and more efficient biomass technologies is on high. So the conclusion that we can draw is energy plays a crucial role in modern societies. It is vital input to all sectors, that is residential, transportation and manufacturers, and it is essential to generate electricity. Thank you.